Hello, this is a demonstration of doing some rocking forward and backward off to the toes and the heels. And we do this to help activate the muscles in the feet, in the legs, in the hips, and in our core. So to start, I'm going to stand slightly sideways to the camera here. So you want to get your hips and your knees and your ankles stacked, okay? So not outside of the hip, but right underneath it, all right? And then our toes are pointing in front, okay? Soften the knees, soften your hips, that means your glutes and your quads, okay? Just let your body just sink into that position. And I'm not looking for a deep knee bend, just soft knees, not locked, okay? And then we're gonna come forward onto the toes and slowly come backward into the heels and start the rocking movement. If it feels good to you, go ahead and move the arms with this movement. Those of you that are Tai Chi or martial art practitioners, this will look familiar to you. Okay. You are going to start at a very low amplitude of rocking. And then as it feels super easy, then you get to bring it deeper and make that amplitude larger. Okay? Remember, you deserve good care, and a little bit every day helps a lot in the long run. Thank you for joining me.